Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a free AI tool where you can automate your presentations using Deepseek and Chatgpt. So you can just give your ideas or you can attach any files whatever you want in order to make it as a presentation. AI will automatically do it for you, and also it will give free credits for you every month. So you can make 10 PPTs every month for free. So let us go on to today's video and explore the AI tool and how it will making presentation for us. So before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on designing of PV wind powered EV charging station. So in this workshop, we are going to model PV and wind as our input sources, and then we are going to implement maximum power point tracking in both of them. And then we are going to incorporate it with EV charging station. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video. AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that AI PPT maker. So here you can see AI presentation maker online free. If you logged in with your mail ID, you will be given 100 credits for free. For every month this 100 credits will be updated here. So and then here you will be having different options, templates, custom templates, create. So first I am going to explore the option called create. So here these are the 4 steps in PPT making. That is enter topic, modify outline, select template, create PPT. So these are the important options where you can do. So for you can give the text as a prompt, and then you can upload the paper or upload the things which is to be converted it as a presentation, or else you can copy and paste the URL or YouTube video and voice. So these things has to be go for subscription option. So for free you can use it as a text, and then you can use that upload option. So for example, enter your presentation topic. So here I am going to give some presentation topic like this. So I am going to give IoT based applications. So like that you can give an input. So here you can select basic model. So there are 2 models are available. So OpenAI GPT-4o and DeepSeek v3. So both this has to be used whenever we are go for a upgrade option. So for free you can use the basic model. So next one is English. There are different languages are available. I am going to select it as English and then professional, and then you can see. So there are 2 options, academic and professional. So I am going to select it as an academic. So after that, brief, medium and detailed. So I am going to give medium itself. So and then click on submit. So these are the some of the examples you can also check it out. So here comes our second part, that is modify outline. So these are the possible outlines which will be generated in this particular presentation. So starting from, so we have asked for Internet of Things. So first thing will be about introduction, historical context, next architecture of IoT systems, communication protocols, applications of IoT. So in that you can see there are various applications: industrial IoT, smart cities, healthcare, challenges in IoT implementation, interoperability, scalability and management, next future trends, then conclusion. So after that you can click on next step. So you can select whatever the template you want. So whatever the template you are interested in, so you can select. For example, I am going to select this template. So here you can select this template. After selecting the template, so here there are different options are available. Category, next you can select the category here, education and training. So in that category you can select template, or else you can select it from all this if you want to that is classify depending upon your type of the PPT you need. So you can do that, and then you can select this one. After selecting your template, so go to next step. Just to click on and go to next step. So it will take time, it will start to create PPT. There will be 23 slides will be generated. So it will take some time and it will generate a perfect PPT for you. So it is generating, still generating. 15 slides, 18 slides. Yes, completed. Thank you. So now we will preview one by one. So just click on preview now. So this is what we have asked for, IoT based applications. So in this you can see this is agenda, introduction of IoT, architecture, applications of IoT, challenges in IoT implementation. So next one is definition and scope of IoT. So here you can see understanding IoT, key components and importance of modern technology. Next one is architecture. So in this architecture you can see layers of architecture. So network architecture, perception and application. So the next one is communication protocols, key protocols in IoT, role of protocols in device operability. Next is security implications of protocols. So next one is applications. So here you can see automation and control, predictive maintenance, supply chain management. Next is smart cities. So intelligent transportation system, waste management, and then you can see so healthcare. So you can that is change the image here, whatever you want you can edit and change. So like that a perfect presentation is generated here. So this is how you can automate your presentation for free using this AI tool, AI PPT Maker. So this will be very helpful for you to make PPT, and you can get an instant PPT in order to generate a presentation for your that is students, or if you are research scholars. So if you want to make a presentation, automatically you can make a presentation. So here you can have an option called export. You can export it as a PPT file or PDF file. So whatever you want you can export, and then you can edit whatever you want. So this is how you can generate a perfect PPT for your academic purposes using this AI PPT Maker. So as far as plans and pricing is concerned, so here you can see for subscription option. So for free you can use 100 credits per month. So you can use generate up to 10 PPTs. You will get short text to PPT, small files to PPT, and basic AI model you can use, GPT-4o mini you can use. So if you want to use advanced models and make a long PPT, more than 10 PPT per month, so you have to go for subscription option. So other than that you can use it for free, and you can generate a perfect content for your research paper and academic purposes. That is research presentations and academic purposes. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Go on and explore this AI PPT Maker with your own documents or your own ideas, or whatever the presentation you want to make you can give. So accordingly it will generate presentation for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.